Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. You are healthy by God's grace. Okay? Okay, let us start our session of today. So before starting our session, let me ask you a few questions. Okay children? Okay. What would you like to do in your leisure time? That means when you are free, what are activities you would like to do? Yes, children. Yeah, some of them are interested in drawing, playing outside or playing inside according to their wish, isn't it? Like girls, they like to do skipping. Both boys and girls would like to do cycling, isn't it? Then some plays hide and seek. Then boys play cricket. So there are different types of activities that you do daily, isn't it? So to do all these activities, what all things you need? Suppose for drawing, you need materials for drawing, pencil, color pencil, paper, books, etc. Other than that, your body should function properly. At least your hands should work properly, right? Isn't it? And for running or for jogging or for playing cricket, whatever, our body parts all should function properly. Yes or no? Yes. So, to function the body parts properly, what all things we should take care of? Suppose if we are tired, if we are not feeling good, if we are so weak, we won't able to do all these kinds of activities, isn't it children? Yes or no? Yeah. So to do all these activities, we need some energy. Our body should have some energy to do all these activities. We need energy. We need energy to do all the activities, or we need energy to do some work. Without energy, if your body have no energy, you won't able to do all these activities. So children, from where does this energy comes from? Do you know? Energy comes from the food we eat. Energy comes from the food we eat. Okay. We get energy from the food. So if you are not eating properly, if you are not eating good food on time and not drinking clean water, what will happen children? It will affect your body. Your body won't function properly. You feel tired, you feel sick. Okay. So it is necessary that we all should eat proper food on time. It doesn't mean that we can eat any food. We should eat food rich in nutrients. Nutrients. What do you mean by nutrients, children? Nutrients are substances that promotes our body growth. Nutrients are substances which promotes the growth of our body. So we should take food rich in nutrients. Okay children? So now let us see which are the nutrients we should take daily. Okay, there are different types of nutrients, and all these nutrients are very much important to our body. When we eat food or in our daily diet or the daily food we are taking, all these nutrients must be there in the food. All these nutrients means essential nutrients. There are different kinds of essential nutrients, okay, which our body needs. Essential nutrients. All these essential nutrients are very much important to our body. So, whatever food we are taking, in all this food, these nutrients are compulsory. So, let us see the essential nutrients chart, okay. Different types of nutrients means our body need proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, etc. So all these nutrients are very much essential to our body. That's why it is called essential nutrients. When we eat milk, when we drink milk, when we eat egg, some nutrients are getting to our body. Okay, proteins. When we eat vegetables, fruits, vitamins will be there in that. So if any one of the nutrient is less, it will affect our body. Suppose you eat only vegetables, you will get only vitamins, isn't it? What about proteins and fats? To get proteins and fat, we should eat food rich in proteins and fats. To get proteins, we should drink milk every day, we should eat egg. To get carbohydrates are food which gives us energy. So, which are the food rich in carbohydrates? In the chart you can see, isn't it? Wheat, rice, potato, etc. Okay. So, if any one of the nutrient is less in our body, our body will become weak or our body won't function properly as usual. So, all these nutrients are very much important to our body. Okay. Suppose you are eating food which are not covered. The food got spoiled. If you happen to eat then it will affect your body reverse. Like you may feel sick, isn't it? So, you should eat clean food. So, a condition in which your body does not function properly as before, or it shows some unhealthy symptoms. What do you mean by symptoms? Symptoms means a state or a condition where your body shows some signals, some problems, like if you are feeling headache, if you have fever, if your body is tired. These are the symptoms of some diseases. Means your body is not functioning, it has some problem. That is called symptoms, like headache, stomach pain, fever. So, a condition in which your body does not function properly and shows or exhibits some unhealthy situations or unhealthy symptoms are called diseases. Are called what? Diseases. What are diseases, children? A condition in which our body. So, what are diseases, children? A condition in which our body does not function properly and shows or exhibits some unhealthy symptoms are called diseases. And I told you earlier, we should eat food rich in nutrients. If any one of the nutrient is less, it is called deficiency of a nutrient or lack of nutrients. Okay. So, lack of nutrients or deficiency of nutrients result in deficiency diseases. Here comes our topic, our lesson, deficiency diseases. So, today we are going to learn about deficiency diseases. Understood, children? Okay, children. So today our topic is about deficiency diseases, right? So, what are deficiency diseases? Lack of nutrients. So, deficiency of nutrients in food results in deficiency diseases. So, now let us see what are these deficiency diseases, how it happens, or what are the causes of it, or what can we do to avoid that, to prevent that. Okay. So, first, any one of the nutrient, if it is less in our body, it will result in deficiency of that vitamin in our body. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency causes a disease called night blindness. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. What is night blindness? A person affected with this disease won't able to see in the night. A child or a person affected with this problem, they won't be able to see in the dim light, in the darkness. Okay, what about you? When all the lights are switched off, will you able to see? We will able to see, right? But some people won't able to see in the darkness. Why? Because of the deficiency of this vitamin A. So, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Health of the eye will get affected. Okay, they won't able to see properly. then eyes becomes dull, skin becomes dry. These are the symptoms of this disease, night blindness. So, causes deficiency of vitamin A. So, what is the treatment for this? We have to eat food rich in vitamin A. Which are the foods rich in vitamin A? Carrot, fish, fruits, milk, etc. are the food rich in vitamin A. Okay, butter, milk, carrot, apple, etc. These are the foods we have to include in our daily diet to prevent this from this disease. Understood, children? So, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness, children? Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Your eyes will become dull, skin becomes dry. To prevent this, what all precautions we should take, or if we get the disease, that person should eat food rich in vitamin A, isn't it? Which are the foods rich in vitamin A? Carrot, fish, fruits, milk, butter, etc. These are the foods rich in vitamin A. Okay. Now next, lack of one nutrient may affect our nervous system also. What is nervous system? Nervous system controls everything you do. Your breathing, talking, feeling, thinking. Okay, nervous system controls everything you do. It contains a network of nerves, children, like a tube it will be, like a wire it will be. Inside our body, there are different types of nerves are there. Okay, so it controls our breathing, walking, thinking, etc. So, lack of vitamin B means deficiency of vitamin B affects our nervous system also. Deficiency of vitamin B affects our nervous system. Vitamin B deficiency affects nervous system and cause a disease called beriberi. Beriberi is the name of that disease. Which deficiency of vitamin causes beriberi, children? Deficiency of vitamin B causes this disease. The disease name is beriberi. Okay. So, what is the treatment for this? A person affected or a child affected with this disease must eat food rich in vitamin B. Okay. What are the foods rich in vitamin B? Milk, fish, meat, cereals, egg, etc. are the food rich in vitamin B. Cereals means wheat, maize, etc. are called cereals. Okay. So, these are the food rich in vitamin B, and in our daily diet we should include all these foods. Okay. So, now we learned about deficiency of two vitamins and what all diseases is affected by this deficiency of these vitamins. First is vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness, and deficiency of vitamin B cause beriberi. Okay, children? Okay. Children, so next vitamin is, see, we finished A and B. Which is the next letter? Obviously C, right? So, we are going to learn about what disease will cause if we are not eating food rich in vitamin C. Yeah, vitamin C. So, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Scurvy. Okay, scurvy. It is a disease which cause when we won't eat food rich in vitamin C. Okay, scurvy means, the main symptom of this disease is bleeding gums. You can see the picture, bleeding gums. Okay, your teeth gets shaken and it becomes loose, and your body becomes thin, you lose weight. And obviously you will become weak if you lose weight. Okay, these are the symptoms of this disease. Okay, main symptom is bleeding gums, teeth will shake and it becomes loose and you lose weight in your body and you become weak. So these are the symptoms of this disease, scurvy. It causes due to the deficiency of vitamin C in your diet. So a person or a child affected with this disease must eat food rich in vitamin C. So which are the foods rich in vitamin C? Mainly citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means orange, lemon, amla. These are the fruits rich in vitamin C. Along with that, you can include cabbage. All these things you should include in your daily diet if you are affected with this disease. Okay. So deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Coming to the next, it will be which vitamin, children? A, B, C. After? Yeah, D. So deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called rickets. R-I-C-K-E-T-S, rickets. Here what will happen, children, your legs will become so thin, or they lose the natural shape. That's a shape for our legs, isn't it? It will become curved or deformed. Deformed means they will lose the natural shape of that leg. Bow shaped, we say. See the picture, bow shaped. From our natural shape, the legs become so thin, weak, and it will become bow shape. Okay, these are the symptoms of this disease. So deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease, children? Rickets. So what is the treatment for this? We have to eat food rich in vitamin D. Okay, we have to include these foods in our daily diet. And one special thing I wanted to tell you is, we get vitamin D if we expose our body to sunlight. Sunlight gives us vitamin D. Okay, children, when you wake up after brushing and having food and all, if you go out of your house or near veranda, outside or car porch or somewhere, see sunlight, you can see sunlight directly coming, right? So if it happens to fall on your body, it is so good for your body. Okay, you are getting vitamin D from sunlight, especially morning sunlight and evening sunlight. Okay, evening light, it's so good. So vitamin D you get from sunlight also, and you have to eat food rich in vitamin D. So which are the foods rich in vitamin D, children? Milk, fish, meat, etc. These are the food rich in vitamin D. So these foods you should include in your daily diet, especially the persons or children affected with this disease. So deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Understood, children? Okay.